So, syempre, bago natin umpisahan ang ating topic for today, popromote muna natin ang ating YouTube channel, Teacher Ako. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, click naman ang subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago nating uploads and tutorials here in our YouTube channel. So, ang focus natin ngayon will be on how do we craft our research questions. So, stating research questions means clearly and precisely formulating the specific questions your study aims to answer. These questions guide the entire research process from data collection to analysis and help focus the study on solving a defined problem or exploring a particular issue. So what are research questions? So research questions are inquiries that, first, direct your investigation. Second, break down the main problem into smaller and manageable parts. And lastly, clarify what your study seeks to find out. Ngayon naman, aalamin natin ano ba yung purpose ng research questions. So, meron tayong apat na kailangan tandaan mga ka-learners. Una, research questions focus the scope of your research study. The second one, to ensure that the research is measurable and researchable. So kung makikita ninyo sa ating presentation ngayon, naka-highlight yung mga key terms na kailangan nating tandaan kapag gagawa na tayo ng ating research questions. Moving on, number 3. Research questions help us structure the methodology and analysis. And lastly, to determine what kind of data you need to collect. So kapag gagawa na tayo ng ating research questions, heto yung mga tips for stating good research questions na dapat nating tandaan. Una, be clear and specific. Siyempre, we need to avoid vague or overly broad questions. So dapat klaro yung dapat nating ma-achieve sa ating study. Pangalawa, be researchable. We have to make sure the questions can be answered through data collection and analysis. Dapat makatotohanan naman yung gagawin natin at kayang-kaya natin siyang ma-accomplish. Pangatlo, we need to align with objectives. Each research question should correspond to a specific objective of the study. So, malalaman natin as we move along na yung mga research questions natin dapat naka-anchor sila sa ating mga research objectives. Kasi bago tayo gagawa ng research questions, dapat may mga objectives muna tayo na dapat ma-achieve. At pang-apat, be feasible. You must be able to answer the questions within your resources and time frame. As I have mentioned a while back, dapat alam natin yung projected time frame natin at saka yung manageable na time na gugugulin natin in doing our research. Okay? So mga ka-learners, dapat tandaan natin ang mga tips na to for stating good research questions. So ulitin ko lang. Una, be clear and specific. Pangalawa, be researchable. The third one, align with objectives. At ang pangapat, be feasible. So ngayon naman, ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Magbibigay ako ng halimbawa. So this example is based on a study about study habits. Ready na ba kayo mga ka-learners? So let's start. So ang title natin ay The Relationship Between Study Habits and Academic Performance of Senior High School Students. Sige nga, mag-review nga tayo. Ano kaya klase ng research design ang gagamitin natin dito sa title na to? Check ko nga kung may natutunan kayo sa mga videos natin na napanood nyo na sa ating YouTube channel. Ano? Very good! Quantitative research ito, itong klaseng title na to. Maka-classify natin ito as quantitative. Ano pa? Very good! Non-experimental in nature. Anong klaseng non-experimental ito? Very good! Descriptive in nature. Ano kayang klaseng descriptive research ito? Nakinig nga talaga kayo sa ating mga tutorials. Siyempre, correlational research. Very good mga ka-learners. So, based on our crafted research title, eto naman ngayon yung mga posibleng gawin natin as research questions. Kung kanina, narinig natin yung ating research title at na-classify natin kung anong klaseng research design ang gagamitin. Ngayon naman, ito yung mga possible research questions. Makinig kayo mabuti. Una, what are the most common study habits among senior high school students? The second one, how do senior high school students perform academically? Pangatlo, is there a significant relationship between students' study habits and their academic performance? At ang pangapat, which study habits are most associated with higher academic performance? So, kung makikita natin dito, each question is, una, clear and specific. Pangalawa, masasabi din natin na directly related ito sa ating research topic. At ang pangapat nating masasabi dito ay, the research questions are answerable using appropriate data. So kapag gagawa na tayo ng ating research questions, dapat lagi nating tatandaan yung mga tips na minention ko dito. Okay ba yun mga ka-learners? Okay, very good. So in summary mga ka-learners, stating research questions means creating clear, focused, and answerable questions that shape your research. These questions serve as a roadmap for your study, ensuring it stays on track and addresses the problem you identified. I just hope na may natutunan ulit kayo sa ating tutorial na to. So ayun mga ka-learners, sana may natutunan kayo sa ating video na ito. So again, kung bago ka pa lang, click mo naman ang subscribe button at pwede mo rin itong i-share sa ibang mga kaklase mo o kaya naman sa mga kaibigan mo na into research din. Para naman sa mga college students natin na nanonood ngayon sa ating video na to, pwede nyo namang gawing pattern yung mga ginawa kong research titles na yon sa current study na kinakonduct nyo ngayon. Again, kung may mga comments kayo or suggestions, leave it in our comment section para try natin i-address at gawan natin yung mga request ninyo na video in the future. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye!